Topher.
Yeah, I know I stress you.
Please. It's not about the stress. Just say it. Just say it. Say what you want to say.
So, first of all, I'm sorry because typically that's not my kind of person. And I'd say that's why I've been feeling uncomfortable, even to the extent of I had to. That's why I said, it felt like a father and son conversation between me and him, because I poured out my heart and I just, so the piece that I thought saying it under pressure would save the ship, but it looks like trying to be the savior would eventually wreck it. But the thing is that, no, just hear it. Trying to save the ship will eventually wreck it, because the thing is that I'm actually in love with you. And for it to get to this stage, I've been so restless and super uncomfortable that I couldn't really speak to it about it to anybody. And I just said, like, beginning of this week I was going to speak to you about it, and it's just a thing of being ready for, like, the consequences. I know you have the whole standard of it can never be younger than what you have or what you have planned. And yeah, I fucked up because you gave me like 2 times. You gave me 2 opportunities to actually fucking come clean. And it was a thing of, I was just 26. And
why now?
Why now? Of all things, aged so far.
So why now?
Look, what am I telling you now?
Yeah.
Because I think it's a bit unfair to wake up every morning and know that this is the only thing that, yeah, I'm fucking sorry.
I think it's a bit unfair to wake up with, like...
Nah, hold on.
I don't think it's unfair.
I've always thought it was unfair, but I've just been always thinking of... Right from when I started liking, I don't know when you started liking me, but I just felt like, why didn't I fucking just come clean to you?
Why didn't you?
Huh?
Why didn't you?
I just felt like I was going to ruin everything, but that was me being selfish because I put my emotions first instead of...
I was going to ruin everything, and you think if I found out to do what?
I knew to. So the thing is that...
I need you to let go of my hand. Please. Please. Thank you.